Since the beginning of last century, your local hospital system has continued to grow and adapt to meet the ever-changing medical needs of the community. Now, we begin the next phase with a multi-year construction plan called Project Forward, Your Hospital, Your Future.
So this project is ambitious and it's advanced for this area. It shows that we are moving forward and that we are committed to providing the very best in healthcare for this region.
Over the next 2 years, UNC Health Blue Ridge will invest $156 million into Project Forward for Morganton and Valdese campuses. A diverse group of teammates have taken an active part in the design of the new spaces through the many years of the planning process.
This is a dream, the starting of this building, that was not decided last week. It wasn't decided last year. It wasn't decided 3 years ago. It's been something that a lot of good, dedicated people have worked long and diligently on making a plan. Joining UNC as part of the healthcare system is part of that plan. We're trying to bring healthcare not just to Burke County, but make things more local for the entire mountain region.
This expansion will add advanced technology, more comforts for patients and families, and new efficiencies that enable the healthcare team to offer the highest quality treatment to patients. It will not only create an expanded hospital on the outside, but a more patient-focused hospital on the inside.
So many of you have been here long enough to remember what the campus looked like back then, and we've seen it change a lot over the years. So I feel like bit by bit we've sort of covered over that original structure, which is kind of sad because that original structure was the heart of so many great things that started here. But more than sad, it's exciting because those great things that started in the original structure have been given a chance to flourish and grow more over the years. But I look at the new tower as a symbol of Blue Ridge Healthcare's commitment to continuing to advance and improve healthcare in the community.
In the patient tower, UNC Health Blue Ridge will use 3 of the 6 floors immediately, leaving 3 floors empty for the time being. This empty space stands ready to be outfitted later for future use. After all, medical technology is always improving, and patients and doctors are always going to have new needs. We will have the space ready for it when the time comes.
Everyone probably standing here has been touched by cancer, whether personally or holding the hand of a spouse or a parent or a child or a dear friend as they walk this path. This is our way of shortening that path and a way of making that journey just a little bit easier for everybody that is impacted by this disease.
The new Cancer Center will have innovative examination, consultation, and treatment rooms for medical and radiation oncology, a new infusion therapy and treatment area, and space for education, support, and group therapy. To address the more spiritual aspect of healing, we will have a serenity garden that will provide a peaceful area of respite for patients, families, and caregivers.
When the new Cancer Center is complete, our community and region will be even better equipped to receive technologically advanced cancer treatment right here close to home, where they will have access to outstanding healthcare professionals.
One patient who was grateful to find treatment close to home is Jeff Carswell, who works in banking and is a member of the UNC Health Blue Ridge Board of Directors. 8 years ago, he was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer and spent 48 days in the hospital due to complications. However, his treatment team at that out-of-town hospital were more than happy for him to get radiation treatments at the Valdese Cancer Center.
People don't know what kind of facility we have in Valdese and the staff that's there and the experience level that they bring to the table. You know, it's a good feeling when you meet with them and they say, listen, got a great facility there in Valdese. I wouldn't drive, to somewhere else, to get the care that we can coordinate with them. It's a big difference when you can go and stay in your local community and get the quality of care that you can at other facilities.
Jeff is excited about the new cancer center and says new facilities not only attract new patients, but new physicians as well. It will also mean a boost to the local economy.
With the new cancer center here, it's going to elevate options for people, in this market. And when you don't have to travel and you can keep your family members and everybody else informed and engaged and there with you and not have to spend a whole day, going somewhere else.
Having a local healthcare system that is investing in your hospital and your future should be comforting to citizens of Burke County and the Mountain region.
This construction period will be exciting, yet challenging in the coordination of care, construction, and convenience to our patients. We've done it in the past, and I feel strongly we will deliver on these promises again.
UNC Health Blue Ridge would like to thank everyone who had a hand in these projects and the dedicated healthcare team that is taking care of our friends and neighbors. For more information on Project Forward, visit this website. Once there, you'll also find out how you can contribute by becoming a sponsor or purchasing a paver for the Serenity Garden. Thank you for your support.